Good evening and welcome friends to Learner 171's channel. Today we will be discussing expiry for tomorrow which is on 25th May. लेकिन आगे बढ़ने से पहले let us discuss what happened today. What we discussed yesterday for today. We clearly mentioned that today there is no buying scenario as long as day's candle we do not see above 18420 this resistance or below 18187. This was the thing, and another thing that I also mentioned is today's day is for short straddlers. मैंने clearly mention किया था 18300 का short straddle if anyone had been active in it, and the premium for yesterday's closing was closer to 127. The combined premium 18300 call, 18300 put, the combined premium was at 127, and you may notice that today it has closed somewhere around 82, giving 45 points ka benefit to short straddlers whoever hold that 18300. I clearly mentioned it in yesterday's video. Another thing is, in my money control forum I had also posted somewhere around 1:16 p.m. to close it, still taking more than 30 points ka benefit in it. So that is the thing. One more thing that I would like to add is, yesterday if you may notice I had mentioned this day's candle which was negative, and I said whenever such pumps happen on day's frame you may see this two good pumpings and then a negative price action has happened. Next candle most of the time has the probability of being another negative red or having a halt कि अगर pump भी हो जाए तो closing उसके आसपास आ जाए. I had given an example of this previous candle where the candle was smaller but still you may see the price action going negative. Why? Because previous days were again this 2 days pump. Similarly here 2 days were there were 2 days pump following this small negative candle, and that is the reason again we followed the same price structure today too. Now what further? इसके बाद क्या for tomorrow's expiry? So what we can notice here is today's closing is at 18287. Let us discuss all the three scenarios: flat, gap up and gap down. What about flat? अगर हम flat खुलते ही price action अगर negative होता है, negative होके this low if it breaks. What is this low? Let me just zoom in. What is this low? 18262. Okay, so if we open flat और flat खुलती price action negative होता है और negative होके if it breaks 18260, if it breaks 18260, I would consider a short opportunity. I would buy a put, and from here the SL would be this high. The SL would be this high, which is somewhere around 18315. For the target of this low, what is this low? It is 18178. So I may consider 18180. So if we open flat, there is a negative price action, negative candles, the similar way it happened here. If there is a negative price action, SL would be here, this point 18315, for the target and opportunity of 18180 if we open flat and go for downtrend. What if we open flat and go for uptrend? Now if we open flat and go for uptrend, I would not consider long opportunity. Reason for that, you have to understand that Friday say we were at higher highs and higher lows. In most of my videos I keep on repeating these things. Why? Because when we were on higher highs and higher lows, there was a good buying opportunity. But from Tuesday what happened? From Tuesday, if you see from second half, सबसे पहले Tuesday का opening क्या था? 915 का opening low, it was 18349. If higher highs and higher lows are to be respected, जैसे यहाँ से हो रहे थे फ्राइडे के 10:30 वाले मॉर्निंग टाइम से, तो फिर वैसे ही कभी भी low of the day was not broken. See here, the low of the day is not broken, but from Tuesday this low was broken closer to 3 p.m. This low, what is this low again? This low is 18349. 18349 was broken at 3 p.m. Similarly, today's low, what is today's low? This 915 is followed by second 920 am lows candle, which is 18269. ये लो भी 3 pm के आसपास ही ब्रेक हुआ था, somewhere around 2:45 pm. Yes, here it is. This low has been broken by 18263. यानी दोनों वक्त 3 pm के आसपास ही, first it was at 3, second today on Wednesday at 2:45 pm the lows have been broken. What does it shows? The structure is again changing towards lower highs. Look at this high, look at this high, look at this high. It has tried to go above this, but again selling came. Again look at this high, again look at this high, again look at this high. So the structures is again changing into lower high and lower low. इसलिए अगर फ्लैट खुल के अब जाते, so just like yesterday I mentioned, selling कहीं से भी आ सकती है. It came from this point. I believe that selling may come again, just in case if we open flat and try to go up. That is the reason I'm not interested in buying call. It doesn't matter how much up it goes, as long as day's candle after 3 or 3:15 p.m. is not above 18,420, I would look for any buying opportunity for the next day. Then next day we will again discuss. But with flat above, with flat opening or price action अगर ऊपर जा रहा है, I am not interested. With flat opening नीचे जा रही है price action, so we have already discussed. What if we open gap up? अगर हम गैप अप खुलते हैं और अगर इन रेसिस्टेंसेस के अंदर कहीं पे भी गैप अप खुलते हैं समवेयर क्लोज टू 18370, 18380, 18350, तो जो भी प्रीवियस लोअर हाई पंप होगा, लेट्स टेक एग्जांपल, इफ वी ओपन समवेयर क्लोज अराउंड दिस लेवल एट 18360, आई वुड कंसीडर द प्रीवियस लोअर हाई पंप व्हिच इज 18387 as an SL. From here I would consider a short opportunity again for 18280, this previous closing का target. अगर यहीं पे कहीं पे गैप अप खुलते हैं, इससे भी बड़ा गैप अप खुलते हैं, we will wait for price action, how it is forming, whether it is positive or negative, and take further action. But any gap up closer below 183, below this high, what is this high? Below 18390. चलो, any gap up below 18390, we would wait for price action. If price action is going negative the way it went for 2 days, negative price action यानी क्या, यहाँ से देखो, जब भी high बना है, high, this is a very good red bearish Marubozu, it is having this wick ऊपर, पर यहाँ से price action continued negative, यहाँ पे वापस green candle आई, pump करने की कोशिश किया, पर ये pump high के नीचे ही था, it continued. It went all the way up. Did it try to break this previous high? No, it again went down. Similarly, if the price action is negative, I'll continue as long as it is not breaking previous lower highs pump for this target. If we open gap up, if we open gap up and if we maintain again positive price action, I'll just leave the trade. I would not take any buying opportunity even if we go for positive price action with gap up. Now gap down scenario. If we open gap down, what further? अगर गैप डाउन खुलने पे क्या करेंगे, समवेयर क्लोजर टू 18200, अगर गैप डाउन इसके पास हो जाता है 18200 के पास या 18200 के ऊपर कहीं भी एट 18220 और 18200 इस लेवल के आसपास अगर गैप डाउन खुलते हैं तो व्हाट? सो लेट मी टेक यू बैक एट दिस लेवल, जस्ट गिव मी अ मिनट. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं जब एक बार when we came closer to 18200 on Friday 12th May, and if there is this kind of positive price action where again the low is respected, low is not broken, it is respected, I may consider a long opportunity. Okay, I may consider a long opportunity for the target of previous day's closing. What is previous day's closing? That is today's closing. Today's closing is at 18287. If we open this kind of gap down somewhere close to 18200 या इससे नीचे with a positive price action, what if we open gap down and go with negative price action? Negative price action यानी कैसे? Again taking this same 18200 का example, let me just come closer to this level. Now you may see here at on Thursday 18th May 18200 के पास 18200 के पास this price action is negative. It tried making this pumps but none of the pumps survived or tried to break even this previous swing high. Even this previous swing high is not broken and the price action continued negative. So if we open gap down और gap down के साथ साथ negative price action होता है, then I would consider this shorting opportunity as long as the lower highs and lower lows are being continued, which I always keep on explaining in most of my videos. यहाँ पे भी आप देखो 18200 के पास it tried making so many green candles but none of the green candles were able to break the previous high. Similarly here none of the green candles were able to break previous high and again it broke down. If this happens then I would consider the shorting opportunity for gap down. This is how we have discussed all the scenarios for gap down as well as flat opening and gap up. Trade safely, take care of your trades. That's it for the day. Thank you so much. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.